In today's video, we're going to take a look at Unity operating system, also known as UOS. So, UOS is a Chinese Linux distribution developed by UnionTech based on Deepin. UOS aimed at replacing foreign operating systems like Microsoft Windows from the Chinese market. UOS has a desktop, enterprises, and a server version available. For downloading UOS, I provide a link in the description. So, after download, open Rufus application to create bootable USB. Select the USB and ISO file. Now we need to restart the computer and boot from the USB device we created. The installation is pretty straightforward and takes around 5 to 10 minutes. UOS interface looks like a mix of all popular desktop OS. The interface looks neat and comes with Deepin own software like File Manager, Image Viewer. Deepin File Manager is an easy-to-use file manager similar to Windows Explorer. It is worth noting that the voice intelligent assistance function known as Desktop AI, you need to activate UOS to get hands-on Desktop AI, and software updates, and some other features. Because it's a Chinese OS, you may worry about the safety of your data if you use this operating system. Recently, there is a saying that Linux Deepin is spyware because of the link with the Chinese internet analysis company, known as CNZZ. And Deepin states that CNZZ is just the same product as Google Analytics. And Deepin uses CNZZ to collect website access information and so, to know how to improve the website experience and detect website problems. And because UOS is a Chinese OS, and they target Chinese markets, it is currently only for Chinese business. You can install to see and have an idea about it, for a trial period of 90 days. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.